during such they name also 50%.
Sobrang lamig.
Oh, cherry blossoms. Oh. Morning! So, it's 5:45. Nag-alarm kami na 5:30. Maaga nga yung call time today. It's our second day. Oh, ayun. Okay, wait! Okay.
Hi guys, get ready, get dressed with us.
Some of their friends passed away, some family cannot survive, and every day those news. And then my mom, suddenly they become very clear. And after the pandemic, they like traveling. Here we take a boat, you know, where can we go? We can go to the tea plantation. In 2016, the government reconstruct this part. And can you see this tool? Yeah. You know what's this? No, it looks like one pigeon, and the other side, that is the ancient Chinese jade, because they thought this part of the lake, when the sun comes out, it looks very dark green. So they also named this. Yes, take the picture with the jade.
Where are we? It's so cold, 6 degrees, but she's wearing naman heat tech inside, hoodie, and yung kanyang outer na jacket. Just a leather jacket, but it's a bit thick naman. So we're here sa north side of the West Lake. Yan. Dito pala headquartered yung Alibaba. And yung parang domestic daw, local version ng TikTok. Dito din daw sa Hangzhou. This is the West Lake. So early guys, we got here ng 8:30.
She said it's on promotion, 50% discount.
Beef jerky, parang ganun yata.
Hindi natin ito makakausap. Uy, Crystal! 100
grams or 100 yuan?
No.
Please baka mo.
Ang dami.
Spicy.
Oh, kasi magaan lang eh. Baka kaya mo namin.
Kalahati kilo.
Makikita natin. Ayun.
Half.
Oh, half.
Almost half.
你要吃100 124
Oh, patay ka ngayon.
那吃多吃一点没事的
Half kilo. Half
100
kilo.
100啊
140. 140.
Babawasan niyo.
Kaya mo yan. You're the best. You're the best at
Okay, for free.
Okay,
there. 100 grams. How much? 100 grams?
Dosaw?
Ay, you know how to ano?
No, it's 103.39.
那算110
Ayun yung kilo sa kalipa.
Ito 113. U1 na yun. Yung sa baba.
110. No. Grams.
Yun ang U1 at sana. Magkakalaman pag nag-pay ka na.
Free? Okay, put the free there.
Ang saya naman ito. Bibili tayo.
I love it. Ang anghang.
Yan na, magkakaalaman na. 110. Okay. Ano dyan, hindi tayo.
Ako gusto ko yun, yung flat.
Yung flat.
Hindi, 100. Ako bibili 100.
Yung kalabaw.
No. See? Okay.
Try mo daw. Uy, magtong ka.
Sweet.
So ito yung candy.
Share na lang tayo.
Kayo ng free candy.
Oo.
Dilis ko?
I'm not sure. Ito, tita ko try.
Okay, thank you.
Free lang daw eh, di ba? For buying siguro.
Try natin.
Hindi ko alam.
It's not candy eh. Parang meat din.
Okay.
Oo.
Hindi mo kaya?
Ano?
Anghang.
Ay, oo. Ang sarap. Ito din ang sarap.
Kimchi. Lasa.
Medyo spicy. Lasang. May hint ng kimchi to. Maanghang.
Yan ba yung dilis? Hindi, ito ang dilis.
Ano ba yung kimchi? Hi guys, it's our second day and we're here sa anong name ito?
North side of the West Lake.
North side of the West Lake. So there. Sobrang lamig. 8 degrees daw to pero sobrang lamig as in.
Ay, 8? Akala ko 6.
I don't know. So yan, it's 8 or 9 na ata. There's the lake.
Pang ano lang to, yung mga caption mo ganyan. So, tingin ka doon.
So, bumili kami ng jerky. Binidyo mo ba?
This one.
Yan. Yan, bumili kami ng jerky. Doon yung jerky. Doon. Yan, and...
Sobrang 100. Sarap.
800 eh. Di mo tanong mo kung may 50. Ako ang magtatanong. Sige, bili tayo. Ikaw na, naiintindihan ka niya.
Only 100?
Masarap yung manghang ko eh. Sabi mo 50 lang eh.
Kano inuna nyo? 1?
Basta, siya naman magta-type sa Alip eh. Kumagano.
So yan, dito kami bumili ng magkakaiba ba iya? No.
Bansan.
50 grams lang, babe, ha? Jerky. Pero masarap po. Na-try nyo?
Okay, we're done here. It's 8:45. Saglit pa lang kami. Parang mas matagal pa kami nag-buy nitong mga cured meats. Pero sobrang lamig eh. And nice here. Pero wala masyado makikita. Yan lang yung parang park to. And then yung lake. I'm looking for coffee sana. Kaso close pa yung Manor Coffee. Parang Starbucks yata. Parang gano'n. And guys, I think parang mga cherry blossoms to eh. Kaso, either hindi pa bloom or tapos na. Kasi ayan yung mga nung park, oh. Parang posters niya. So, alam ko yung cherry blossoms here.
Hindi ko na magalaw yung mga mo. Ano ko? Yung hands.
Where's your glove?
Nagaling ko na bumalik.
Sige, let's go back. Ayan, cherry blossoms. Ayun, no? Yan, medyo, na siya, pale na siya yung pagka-pink. Sana baby yung bus. Yeah, kaya nga. Akala ka babay tayo. We're going back to the bus.
lalakad daw tayo maghanap ng mga snacks, ganyan, na local snacks. So, binigay for mga nagtutour group, ganun. And if you wanna purchase, may list daw later. If not, it's okay. It's for free naman daw yung free tasting. Sarap. Walnuts. It's so good.
So good.
Sarap siya. Parang lahat nung nasa list mabibili na naman. Crispy dates. Good. Parang mga crackers eh. Crispy. Parang chips na. Nalasang fruit, pero chips na. Sunflower seeds.
Sunflower. The Beijing, so good for the public. Why? Because our doctors, oriental doctor, we call it the.
Alam ko na dito mag-video. Hi guys! So nasa Shanghai na kami from Guangzhou, finally. Hi guys! So guess where we are? So we're here in Shanghai na guys, finally. Ano na, 3:55. Kanina pa naman kami dito, mga 15 minutes na. Pero we had late lunch kanina doon. And that's the Bund and the Oriental Pearl Tower. This is the Bund. Parang harbor nila. Like, similar sa Victoria Harbor. Pero ang haba nito. It's nice here and super cool. Four o'clock na guys. Nag-late lunch kami kanina sa hot pot area doon. Babe was a photographer. Yeah, we're going to the bus na. Babalik kami dito tonight yata eh. Kasi we have a river cruise. Beibo in Shanghai. Pero frozen hotdog na yan. Yung French concession is over there. Baka tonight magdaanan natin. Pero tonight quick lang kami dito. This afternoon.
Need a different city god. And the feng shui master
Here's the
suggested
Jingguang area. Yu Garden area, if I'm not mistaken. The city god temple. Pero hindi daw siya literal na temple. May temple pero sasadyain mo pa. More on shops daw dito and mga restaurants, cafe, mga wholesale market daw. Bilihan ng mga souvenir. Ay, parang sasagasaan niya ako. Yu Garden. Ay, lahat sila parang sasagasaan tayo. And we're here at the Yuan Garden, City God Temple. And puro shops nga. And guys, when you turn right dyan sa may number 8, dyan yung garden, and then ito yung temple. So mag-eat muna tayo, or okay na, sige.
So we're here guys sa Yuyuan ba? Ano bang name na to? Yuyuan Garden. Ayan. So, free time kasi bibili ng pasalubong or snack. So, kanya-kanya kami tonight. Ay, this time. Yun, maghanap na ako ng piyaw. So, yeah, it's so cool. Para siyang yung sa Osaka, yung covered din. Pero mas salit na version. So, yun, we're gonna buy mga pasalubong and if may piyaw nga na gold, I'm gonna get that. Oh, there. Ang daming tao. But it's nice here. It's so clean. And it's so old.
Sensory overload dito, babe. Walang gagawin.
Try the Xiaolongbao guys. Mukhang masarap kasi binibilahan.
They're making the large Xiaolongbao here. But they also sell other pastries too.
谢谢. It's big.
And then how will you eat this?
Just put the straw inside lang, the middle. Wala siyang meat. Soup lang, parang ganun lang talaga. Soup, literal. Baka puro vinegar sa middle. Baka vinegar yan. Diba walang meat? Soup dumpling talaga.
Okay, I'm gonna taste. Try it.
We was gonna buy some coffee and I'm gonna buy ice cream. Ito sa Arabic. Ice cream ba ya? Yeah. That's me. Yeah, small size.
And iced Kyoto latte.
Iced Kyoto latte?
Parang ano, gyoza baby one. Okay, 谢谢.
So this is parang they're done being here. Yan. Bumalik kami ni Bebo. Ito parang puro, yung parang alley na to, parang puro food. Actually, all naman na alley. And that's Bebo. My turn to taste.
It's Bebo's turn.
Mas masarap sa danding. Tapos may ice cream pa.
And I'm buying hot choco here. Kasi sobrang lamig na. Hot choco is 32. 32 yuan. Diba?
Oh. 谢谢. Magdi-defrost na yung frozen hotdog.
Wala eh. Di na.
Okay. Balik na kami sa meet-up spot. Magbabay pa kami ng mga souvenir. And toilet, of course. Yeah. Okay. We're lining up for the boat tour. Babe.
wala. Pero siguro may option na gano'n.
Okay. We're boarding our ferry.
小心脚下台阶，小心脚下台阶，注意安全。相信脚下台阶，相信脚下台阶。
Ayan, may warmer. Ay, heater.
Avail the tour. Naglakad kami ng malayo. Tingnan mo, look. So nice.
Right guys, so we're here sa Nanjing Road. I think nandito kami sa central part. So parang center kasi mahaba din daw. We won't be able to finish it. So dito kami yung sa may Pop Mart and yung one of the largest Starbucks daw in Asia. Sige, I'll show you. Hour. Wow, it smells so good. Parang dito na lang pala tayo.
Tired na tayo doon. Maganda na tayo dito.
Sige. Toilet na tayo muna. Okay, so this is their roastery. Hopefully may mabili naman ako this time. Yeah, mga green beans or green beans. Mga hindi pa na roast. So yan, mag-toilet kami sa second floor and hopefully may mabili tayo. Kahit beans lang. Okay, let's go. We're here at the second floor. So tea area dito, Tivana. Mall kasi to. What? Ewan ko lang kung may malinaw ah. Ha? Because we're moving eh. Wag na. Magsisweater na lang ako sa loob ng leather jacket. Pan kita.
Hi guys, so we're here sa Nanjing. Sobrang lamig. Nagpalit ako ng damit. So, may leather jacket na ako. Nakadalawang heat tech, leather jacket, and isa pa yan. Ito yung itsura ko. There. And naka-gloves pa ako. 7 degrees lang to ah. Asa lamigin. Anyway, we're here. Nag-check kami sa Hoka and now nasa Nikko End kami. So, yeah, may check lang.
No, I mean itong stretch na to. Oh, may chew din. Mga trendy. Own brand. It's alright.
Ayun yung ano nila, parang 7-Eleven. License. No?
辣椒要不要？
一点点。
一点点呢，给他好点。
还有多加的吗？有多少得的吗？
Yeah. Mga amoy ng mga braised meats.
Kami na Adidas guys kasi wala kami. Parang walang mga wala. Yun lang yung mga shop.
Kasi according to Crystal, our tour guide, mahaba nga tong Nanjing Road. So, dito kami sa center na part. So, maybe sa ibang parts, they have other boutiques pa na open. So, naman dito lang is Sephora, Starbucks, Hoka. Ayan, they have Adidas here.
So, Max says, we're asking for tax refund. Parang walang tax refund dito. Ano tax? In the airport? No, wala talaga. May tax sila. So, walang tax refund dito sa Shanghai. Pero ang gaganda ng selections. As in, kahit yun dun sa taas. Okay, so sumakses kami dito. And, tingnan niyo yung paper bag. Yung paper bag yung nagdala. Kasi may Shanghai. Ibebenta ko yan. Charot. Ibebenta ko yung paper bag. Yun, so we're gonna find something to eat kasi magna 9 na actually. Eh, 9:45 ang aming meeting time. Bumili na sapatos. So, family word na lang kami.
Gahanap pa rin kami.
Family chicken.
Dumpling she.
Ayoko na ng dumpling.
Kota na for today.
Suka na. I want something na chicken.
Chicken and rice. Kasi hindi siya nag-enjoy dun sa hot pot kanina. Ako naman sayang-saya. Favorite ko kasi yung may mga dipping sauce. Tara. Ay, is it still open? Na nag-close na yung lights.
Pasok ka sa freezer.
Pasok ka sa freezer. Ayan, may mga rice. But are they still open though? What's that? Ayan na, Rice Haven, oh. Babe. It's affordable lang here, guys. So, times 8 lang siya. Parang everywhere. Sabi nila, and what I heard, mas pricey na nga daw yan dito kasi nasa Shanghai kami. Pero, pag sa iba pa daw na cities and sa mga provinces, cheaper pa daw. And huge yung mga portion nila. Even yung mga dumplings.
Let's just eat there.
Okay.
Yung pork, yun yung pork na gusto ko.
Okay, yung braised pork. So yeah, even dumplings, kung di 6 or 8, 12. Pag 4 lang, ang lalaki naman ng 4. Okay, sige. Let's choose.
Gamitin ako sa ganito namin.
Ayan.
Lurofan to sa Taiwan. Pero dito, ano pa nga?
Thicker siya and fattier eh.
Yan. I'm gonna eat this one.
Okay.
And you. Let's go.
Closed down. No more. Yan, masarap yan ah. Yung, ano nila, skewers nila.
So, ito parang pork chop.
Gusto mo ng Google Translate?
Sige, sir. So, nagkatotoo yung family
Family Mart.
So, wala nang bukas.
Yeah, 9:45 na eh.
Sapatos, pero totoo.
Hindi yung totoo. Punta na tayo sa meet-up place.
Bye.
Laters.
Hi guys, so we've checked in na. 12 na ata. 11:60 na, grabe. So, we're here sa Holiday Inn Express. Ano to? Jarding. I'm gonna tour you. Okay, so, wait. Hindi na ako lalabas pag kami. So, yan yung door. Let's turn it on. Yan. And may full body mirror here. Oopsie! Ayan. Full body mirror.
Magpa-follow yan, dahan-dahan.
And then, CR. Of course, this is smaller than what we had last night kasi nga upgraded yun last night. So, dapat ganito lang sa Express. Anyway, CR. It's big naman. May hot and cold, may soap, body wash, and shampoo, and then mirror. It's big naman. Yan. Pero of course, bigger pa din. And may door dito kasi siguro if kunwari family, through and through yan. Diba ba? Connecting. And then, yan. Yung bed. Naririnig. So, yun. Naririnig pala sa yung kabila. And then, a small window lang. Na, walang view for today's video. Yun. So, that's it. But it's decent. For the price, of course. Yan lang.
So, I'm going down to grab food. Kasi, nag-lunch ang maayos si Bebo kanina. And then, also, actually, pati dinner. Kasi yung dinner na, nasaraduhan kami. Nakatatlong restaurant kami, wala na. So, may KFC naman and Domino. Hopefully, open pa sila. No, it's actually just beside the hotel. Ito. Yan, dyan lang. Oh, shit! Close na ata yung KFC. Oh my God. Tama ba? Close na? Close na. Close na. Sorry, Bebo. Oh no! Wait, ano ba? Open. Open. Sige, tara. No more. Close na. Sorry, Bebo. Sige, hanap tayo dito sa may side pa. And, tara. Okay, so this is Shanghai. And, close na rin. Domino Pizza. This is my Manor Coffee. Makapag-coffee tayo tomorrow. I've been wanting to try yan Manor Coffee eh. Kaso closed na rin kanina dun sa may Nanjing Road. So yeah. This is sa Jiading area. So, Jiading is parang ano ba? Barangay? Ganun. Pero barangay na kasing laki na ata ng buong isang city sa Metro Manila. Kasi Shanghai daw is 13 times na kasing size ng Singapore. Can you imagine? Anyway, tara try natin. Let's try Domino's. Oh, it's 24 hours open. Ayun, let's go. So, puro pizza. Domino's. Ay, hindi, may mga chicken. Pero gusto Bibo ng rice. Kaso lang rice. Pero obvious naman siguro walang rice. Soups, pasta. May rice! Fried rice with double sausage. Diyan sa teriyaki. Okay. One Bibo to. Sige. Order tayo.
One away. Take away. Alipay.
So, I ordered lang rice. Chicken, yung boneless chicken kasi favorite naman yan ni Tish. Anything breaded. Then I ordered yung beef stew. Kasi I think famous din yan dito sa Shanghai. Aside dun sa pork, parang braised pork belly. And yung xiaolong bao. So, I only paid 63 RMB. So, times 8. I'll show you guys yung order later. So, while waiting dun sa Domino's sa takeaway, I'm checking yung nila, parang food panda nila or Grab. Mate one. And meron siyang mini app within Alipay, so you don't have to download it separately. Kasi pag I download it separately, I think need ko pa mag-verify na I need to have mobile number ko dito sa China. But I don't have a mobile number kasi I'm using eSIM. So, naka-eSIM tayo. Maraming available. So, ask naman niya ikaw for your location. For those wondering or interested, I got my eSIM from Trip or Trip.com. So, for 5 days, 600 lang siya. 100 gig siya per day. So, parang everyday mag-refresh siya. Payment method na we're using here is Alipay. We set it up before leaving. So far, never ako nag-issue sa Alipay. And I tried using WeChat earlier. Nag-OTP siya. Yung card, Tish, since hindi naka-roaming si Tish, so hindi na-receive yung OTP. 553. So goods, let's go. Jiading. Yung first. 8 degrees lang to. Feels like 7. So, mas malamig pa pala last night sa Gongshu area sa Hangzhou. Kasi 6 degrees yun. Malamig, but I'm not complaining, guys, ha? So, guys, this is our hotel. It's Holiday Inn Express in Jiading Center.
Hi, guys. So, we bought lang our midnight snack and dinner. Kasi nga kanina, diba, nag-family mart lang kami. And hindi ko na nakain sa sobrang pagod. Parang nasusukan na ako kanina. So, ibubot lang dun sa tapat ulit. Merong Domino's. Tapat KFC, kaso close na. Close na naman. So, yan. I think this is sausage. Anong rice to?
Fried rice with sausage.
Oh, yan. And then nuggets. And then, yung sausage kanina. And then, yung, ano to? Barbecue. And another one. Open yan na lang later. And then, may free sa Family Mart kanina. Kasama ata nung sausage or nung barbecue. And then, coconut water sa Bendo sa baba. And juice sa baba sa Family Mart. And sandwich sa Family Mart kanina. Yun lang. So, we're gonna eat and then sleep na. Sobrang tired kasi tomorrow magdi-DIY kami papunta. So, yan. See you tomorrow, guys. That's it for day 2. Bye!